Module 5, Servers, Hosting, and Deployment. Lesson 5.3, Deployment and Environments.
Software is never finished. It evolves constantly. Bugs are fixed, features are added, security issues are patched. But every change introduces risk. So how do those changes safely reach users?
What is deployment?
Deployment is the process of taking new or updated code and releasing it into an environment where users can access it. It's the moment software stops being an idea in development and becomes a live experience. Deployment can fix a bug, add a new feature, improve performance, change the interface, or patch a security vulnerability. Every update you see in an app is the result of a deployment.
Why you don't deploy directly to users.
But pushing changes directly to real users is dangerous. What if the update breaks payments, corrupts data, exposes a security flaw? In production, mistakes are expensive.
Environments explained.
That's why companies use environments. Dev. This is where engineers build, experiment, break things. It's flexible, it's fast, and it's often unstable. Staging. Staging mirrors the real product. It looks like production, but it's used for testing. This is the dress rehearsal. If something fails here, users never see it. Production. Production is the live environment. Real users, real data, real consequences. If something breaks here, everyone feels it.
The deployment pipeline.
Changes move through a controlled pipeline. Each stage reduces uncertainty. Each stage protects users. And if something goes wrong, teams can roll back. When engineers say, "We can't push this yet," they're not slowing progress. They're protecting users. They're protecting the business.
Modern deployment.
Modern teams automate this process. Code is tested automatically. Security checks run instantly. Deployments happen in seconds. This is called CI/CD, continuous integration and continuous deployment. Automation increases speed, but it also increases safety. Deployment isn't just moving code. It's moving responsibility from experimentation to real-world impact. Every update you see has passed through this journey. Deployment pushes code to an environment. Servers make that environment work. In the next lesson, we'll examine the different types of servers and understand how they work together.